Pack your bags, divers. We're going to Waimea Bay. Waimea Bay is located on the north shore of Oahu on the Kamehameha Highway, just a stone's throw from Shark's Cove and Three Tables. There's a small parking lot located here. It's free, but fills fast. Amenities including bathrooms and showers are located here. Once you've geared up, make your way 150 meters across the sand. From there, it's a 200-meter surface swim to the edge of the reef. The primary dive site is this massive area. I recommend following this path along the edge of the reef. It's the simplest way to get out and back. You keep the reef on your left-hand side on the way out, keep it on your right-hand side on the way back. This area here is primarily large jumpy boulders. On the north side of the reef are 3 small islands of coral and rock. These are pretty interesting, but a little bit of a swim across the open sand. Here are several large walls on the reef. This chunk of rock here is popular with cliff divers. At the far end of the reef, you can expect depths of 40 to 45 feet. Descending, we're greeted with blue water, white sand, and great viz. Here you can see the edge of the reef where the large boulders melt into the sand. Here's one of the reef islands jutting from the sand. dive is done. Let's hit the dark room.